Good morning students, Sairam. Today we are going to start with EVS 2. Now today we are going to do revision. Now revision of chapter number 5, Shivaji's Education. And as you all know, today we are going to do revision, so it's all about assessment. So children, how you all are going to give your semester exam? Same way how you gave your unit test, by selecting options, right? Now read your first heading, fill in the blanks by choosing the correct option. Now your first question is, Shahaji Raje was a scholar of dash, and the options are in front of you. You have to select the correct one. Sanskrit, Kannada, Tamil. So which option is the correct option? You have to just select the correct one. And here I am going to select Sanskrit. So Shahaji Raje was a scholar of Sanskrit. Now see the second one. Shivaji's education started at the age of dash. And the options are 6, 8, 7. Now come on, tell me. I'll give you time, so not to worry. Very good. And the correct option is 7. Shivaji's education started at the age of 7. Now see the third one. Adil Shah sent Shahaji Raje to conquer the states of Nayaks in dash. And the options are Karnataka, Pune, Mawal. And the correct option is yes, Karnataka. Adil Shah sent Shahaji Raje to conquer the states of Nayaks in Karnataka. And the fourth one, at the age of dash, Shivaji became acquainted with different branches of learning and arts. Options are 7, 13, 12. Very good, and the correct option is 12. At the age of dash, at the age of 12, Shivaji became acquainted with different branches of learning and arts. Fifth one, to teach Shivaji warfare, Shahaji Raje appointed some dash teachers, Brahmins, painters. The correct option is very good, teachers. To teach Shivaji warfare, Shahaji Raje appointed some teachers. Sixth one, Jijabai and Shivaji returned to dash. And the options are Pune, Karnataka, Bangalore. Very good. And the correct answer is Pune. Wait. Jijabai and Shivaji returned to Pune. Now see the seventh one. Shivaji remembered his childhood days which he had spent on dash fort. And the options are Raigad, Rajgarh, Shivneri. It is very easy. Very good. And the correct option is Shivneri. Shivaji remembered his childhood days which he had spent on Shivneri fort. Eighth one. When people living around came to know that Dash has returned to Pune with Shivaji, they took heart. Options are Shahaji Raje, Jijabai, Dadaji Kondev. Very good, and the correct option is Jijabai. When people living around came to know that Jijabai has returned to Pune with Shivaji, they took heart. Ninth one. Dash roamed in the countryside. Options are tigers, lions, wolves. Very good. And the correct option is wolves. Now see the 10th one. When Jijabai and Shivaji were in Karnataka, Dash looked after the Pune Jagir. Options are Dadaji Kondev, Vijayaraj, Mavlas. Which option is the correct option? Come on. Very good. And the correct option is Dadaji Kondev. When Jijabai and Shivaji were in Karnataka, Dadaji Kondev looked after the Pune Jagir. And the 11th one now. Dadaji Kondev was the Subedar of Dash. And the options are Kanpur, Kondana, Karnataka. Come on, tell me fast. Very good. And the correct option is Kondana. Dadaji Kondev was the Subedar of Kondana. 12th one. When Shivaji returned to Pune, his education continued under the supervision of Dash. Options are Jijabai, Adil Shah, Nizam Shah. Very good. And the correct option is Jijabai. When Shivaji returned to Pune, his education continued under the supervision of Jijabai. 13th one. A big vada or residence was built in Pune by the orders of Shahaji Raje. It came to be known as Dash. Options are building, Lal Mahal, Marvel. Very good. And the correct option is Lal Mahal. A big vada or residence was built in Pune by the orders of Shahaji Raje. It came to be known as Lal Mahal. 14th one. Jijabai had valiantly faced the shock of her Dash murder in the open court at the instigation of Nizam Shah. And the options are fathers, mothers, brothers. Very good. And the correct option is fathers. Jijabai had valiantly faced the shock of her father's murder in the open court at the instigation of Nizam Shah. 15th one. The people living in the Marwar region were called Dash. Peasants, Mavlas, soldiers. And the correct option is, come on, good, Mavlas. People living in Marwar region were called Mavlas. 16th one. Mawlas were harassed by the dash rule. Now whose rule? Sultan's rule, Mughals, Shivaji's. Very good. Sultans. Mawlas were harassed by the Sultan's rule. 17th one. Dash said, we should now get Shivba married. Options are Shahaji Raje, Jijabai, Dadaji Kondev. And the correct option is, come on, very good. And the correct option is Jijabai. Jijabai said, we should now get Shivba married. 18th one. The Mawlas got a glimpse of the future dash. Options are Swaraj, Jagir, Palace. Very good. And the correct option is Swaraj. The Mawlas got a glimpse of the future Swaraj. 19th one. Saibai came from the Nimbalkar family of dash. Fulton, Mudhol, Verul. Very good. And the correct option is the first one. Saibai came from the Nimbalkar family of Fulton. Now another heading. Answer in one word by selecting the correct answer. You have to select the correct answer and you have to, this question is for only one word. So now the question is, he fixed land revenue according to the quality of the soil. He fixed land revenue according to the quality of the soil. Options are Dadaji Kondev, Shahaji Raje. Yes, come on. Very good. And the correct option is Dadaji Kondev. Now your second one. The first teacher of Shivaji Maharaj. Options are Jijabai, Adil Shah. Now who was the first teacher of Shivaji Maharaj? Come on, tell me. Very good. And the correct option is Jijabai. Jijabai was the first teacher of Shivaji Maharaj. Now the third one. Who were the ancestors of Bhosles? Options are Shri Ramchandra, Shri Krishna. Very good. And the correct option is Shri Ramchandra. Now the fourth one. Who were the ancestors of Jadavs? Options are Shri Ramchandra, Shri Krishna. Very good. And the correct option is Shri Krishna. Now the fifth one. He killed Kans and brought relief to the people. Options are Lord Shiv, Lord Krishna. Very good. And the correct option is Lord Krishna. Now the sixth one. The sixth one is, he was the mighty Sardar and father of Jijabai. Options are Lakhuji Rao Jadhav, Fateh Khan. I'll repeat the question again. He was the mighty Sardar and father of Jijabai. Very good. And the correct option is Lakhuji Rao Jadhav. Now the seventh one. To which family Saibai belong? Nimbalkar, More. And the correct option is Nimbalkar. Now the eighth one. Who had already made preparations for Shivaji Maharaj? Options are Dadaji Kondev, Shahaji Raje. Very good. And the correct option is Shahaji Raje. Ninth one. Who was the Subedar of Kondana? Options are Vijay Raj, Dadaji Kondev. Very good. And the correct option is Dadaji Kondev. He was the Subedar of Kondana. Now the eighth one. Who built Lal Mahal? Options are Shahaji Raje, Jijabai. Very good. And the correct option is Shahaji Raje. Now see the 11th one. Valiantly faced the shock of a father's murder in the open court. Options are Jijabai, Saibai. And the correct option is Jijabai. Name of Shivaji's wife. Options are Saibai, Surekhabai. Very good. And the correct option is Saibai. Now read the heading. Select the correct option to state whether the following statements are true or false. Now see the first one. Shivaji could not read Ramayan, Mahabharat and Bhagavad. Shivaji could not read Ramayan, Mahabharat and Bhagavad. True or false? Very good. And the statement is false. And the second one now. At the age of 20, Shivaji became acquainted with different branches of learning and arts. True or false? Very good. And the statement is false. Now see the third one. Jijabai was the daughter of mighty Sardar Lakhuji Rao Jadhav. Very good. And the statement is true. Now see the fourth one. People living in Mawal region were harassed by the Sultan's rule. True or false? Very good. And the statement is true. Now read the another heading. Answer in one sentence by selecting the correct option. And the question is, who appointed teachers for Shivaji and where? Options are, you have two options in front of you. We will read it carefully and then select the correct one. Adil Shah appointed teachers for Shivaji in Bijapur. And the other option is, Shahaji Raje appointed teachers for Shivaji in Bangalore. Now think on it and reply. Very good. And the correct option is the second one. Shahaji Raje appointed teachers for Shivaji in Bangalore. Your next question. Write about Shivaji's marriage. Now we will read the options. Shivaji married Saibai, who came from Nimbalkar family of Falton at a very early age. Other option is Shivaji married to Saibai, who came from More family of Vijayanagar at a very early age. Confusing? Think on it. Very good. And the correct option is the first one. Shivaji married Saibai, who came from Nimbalkar family of Falton at a very early age. Thank you.